Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer size of your goals? So overwhelmed that even thinking about where to start feels impossible? If you've ever felt that way, then this story is for you. It's the story of Meera, a young woman whose greatest dream was to open her very own bakery. Meera's passion was baking. She breathed life into flour and sugar, creating cakes, cookies, and pastries that were nothing short of magical. Her friends and family were her biggest fans, constantly requesting her delicious treats for every occasion. But despite all the praise, her incredible talent never ventured beyond the familiar comfort of her small kitchen. Every time the thought of starting her own business crossed her mind, a wave of fear would wash over her. "What if nobody likes my cakes?" she'd whisper to herself. "What if I fail and everyone sees it?" The most terrifying thought of all was, what if I lose all my savings? This fear of failure was like a chain holding her in place. And so, her dream remained just that, a beautiful, distant dream, while days turned into weeks, and weeks bled into months. One quiet evening, Meera found herself wandering through a local market. Her eyes landed on an elderly woman at a small, modest stall, selling homemade jams. The woman wasn't in a fancy shop, but her face was alight with a genuine, infectious smile. Customers flocked to her stall, their faces lighting up as they tasted her jams. She seemed so content, so happy in her work. Driven by a sudden curiosity, Meera approached her. "How did you start all this?" she asked, gesturing to the rows of colorful jars. The woman's eyes crinkled at the corners as she smiled warmly. "Oh, my dear," she said, her voice gentle, "I didn't start with a big store or thousands of jars. I started with just one jar, one single recipe. I took one small step every single day. That's how I got here." Those simple words echoed in Meera's mind. It was like a light bulb had switched on in a dark room. She suddenly realized the problem wasn't the size of her dream. It was her belief that she had to achieve it all at once. She was trying to build the entire bakery in her mind, instead of just laying the first brick. The very next morning, something inside Meera had shifted. She woke up with a new sense of purpose. She decided to start small, just one small step. She baked 10 perfect fluffy cupcakes and shared them with her neighbors. The smiles on their faces, the genuine compliments they gave her, it was like a spark of confidence igniting within her. Feeling encouraged, her next step was a little bigger. She baked 20 more cupcakes and took them to a tiny weekend market, selling them one by one to strangers who appreciated her work. It was exhilarating. Each small, manageable step was building not just her reputation, but her courage and her skill. She was learning, growing, and becoming the baker she was always meant to be. The months that followed were a testament to the power of small beginnings. Meera expanded her menu slowly, methodically. She added chewy cookies, then moist muffins, and eventually beautifully decorated custom cakes for special occasions. Every single day, she committed to taking one small, intentional step toward her goal. And like compound interest, each step added to the last, creating incredible momentum. Exactly 1 year later, a dream came true. Meera stood proudly in front of her very own bakery, Meera's Morsels. The sweet scent of freshly baked bread filled the air. It wasn't just the exceptional quality of her baking that made her new business a success. It was her quiet persistence, her dedication to those small daily steps, and the patience she had cultivated to let her dream grow organically. Through her journey, Meera learned a profound and life-changing lesson. Big dreams are not achieved by giant, heroic leaps of faith. They are built piece by piece with the consistent, humble, and powerful magic of small steps. So, what is that one small step you can take today towards your own big dream? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new motivational stories every day. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a story that could inspire your life and help you take that next small step. We'll see you in the next video.